Right, yeah, so Ziggy's sitting at about 170. We'll say 160, 170. I'll drop down the heat because I've done a few flips. And these things have a shit ton of sauce. That red wine is absolutely beautiful. And these are cooking quite well on indirect heat. They are looking delicious. So I reckon we're going to get these about at least another 45. With constant flipping, and I'm not going to record every single flip because this would take way too long, like I said before. Beautiful. Yum yum. Full burners. That's preheat. Okay, so we're going to do Coles Made Easy slow cooked lamb shanks in aromatic red wine sauce. We're going to go a full double dose in this one. So Ziggy is preheated to 200 degrees. We have got our tray here. We're going full indirect heat. Going to oil that right up. I'll show you how it looks when it's in the pan. Rightio, so Ziggy's sitting just over 200 degrees. So it should be about 204 degrees, give or take. And we've got the Coles red wine lamb shanks in the tray. So we're going to do indirect heat, full burners, and this is how it looks on the burners. Gourmet cooking there. We have a completely full dish of lamb shanks. Just going to spray the external part of the pan. And this one, yes, everyone loves a flame, so we'll say, flame it up, motherfucker. Ooh, flaming lamb. Nice and glazed, lots of oil. We'll let these go for about 5 minutes. Then I'll flip them. There we go. You'll see this about mid-cook. Then when I take them off, when they're nice and tender. I'm going to shortcut this cook because this one's roughly going to take us probably about a good 45 to, say, just over an hour. So we'll skip all the bullshit. Sweet.